to wear your Betty Boo Wired Headband. First style I like to start off is the rosette, which is the main style I like to wear. What you want to do is position the band onto your head and adjust the tension, then you can achieve the rosette look. So when you're actually taking off your band, all you want to do is straighten up the wire again to reset. In the next style of the Betty Boo band is I like to do the ponytail pig style, which is like what I like to call Pippi Longstocking. What you do is wrap the wire around your two ponytails like so. But then the next style you can do from there is grab the tips of your Betty Boo band and then put it up on the head and then tie it in tension using the wire. You just tuck the rest of your hair into your band, achieving this second look. Cute! Okay, let's reset that part per hand. The next style I like to do is a side wrap. But then from a side wrap, after I've done the first look, I can also pin it up so that I can put my hair into a shorter style, like so. This style gives it a really 70s to 80s look, and all you gotta do is tuck the rest of your hair, and then you can achieve this third style look with a wired headband. There you go. Next style I like to do is put my hair into a hair bun. As always, adjust the tension for my first hairstyle. Very easy, bow tie is the next style. Fabulous. And the next style that I like to do is the basic rosette, which I did in the beginning of it, but this is with my hair up. And then the next style I like to do is the twist and the tuck. So you tuck the ends of your Betty Boo band to achieve this style. And then lastly, you can do the backwards Betty Boo band hairstyle. After you've straightened your Betty Boo band to reset it, then you put the bottom of your band on the top of your head and then twist on the side for a side hairband look. Very cute.